The Inateck MercuryBox is marketed as an ultra-portable Bluetooth speaker with fantastic sound and a waterproof design. In this review, we are going to see if it is truly worthy of that title. The speaker is manufactured almost entirely out of aluminum. Whenever you pick it up or brush your finger across the speaker grills, you are always greeted with a cold metal plate that feels really high quality. The only thing that kind of takes away from that is the weight. This speaker is incredibly light and it feels like you are holding an empty metal casing in your hand with no components in it at all. Now that could be considered a bad thing, however, seeing as this is being pushed as a pocketable speaker, it's something I am willing to let pass, as you will really appreciate how light this is when you carry it around with you. The speaker also has controls that are rubberized membranes and they feel very tactile and responsive. The only problem I have is when you increase and decrease the volume. It doesn't allow you to keep it pressed, instead you have to keep doing individual presses to adjust it. Now when I requested this for review, I made a mistake, and that was getting this in black. The black color really does degrade the overall look of the speaker. It just looks like an empty shell that you are carrying around with you rather than a high quality piece of tech. The color I actually wanted to show you was the silver speaker, as this one truly looks high quality and very desirable. All the design problems I have with this black unit are completely obliterated with the silver one. Moving on, it's time to talk about the sound quality. Now I've tested the speaker with movies, games and music, and honestly, out of the three, it worked best with just the one, and that was music. Whenever I used this with movies or games, the sound really lacked bass and the resulting audio was flat. Don't get me wrong, there is some bass to be found, but I only found that apparent when I was listening to music. The music playback was very nice and calm, and I was just mesmerized whilst listening to it, and I found it hard to turn off. Also, this speaker has fantastic battery life. I've had it connected to my computer where it was on standby for about 3 full days with occasional use here and there. However, when I used it full time, I managed to get 10 to 12 hours of battery life on a full charge. I gotta hand it to Inateck, they put some mighty strong batteries in their speakers. Anyway, enough of me talking, it's time to give you an audio sample as to how the speaker actually sounds. What I am also going to do is compare it with another speaker from Inateck, and that is their BTSP 10 unit. So as always, I will be demonstrating the sound comparison with Batman Arkham Knight, as this game has so much intricate details in the explosions and bone-breaking sounds.
See the bats coming? I'd like to go for a joyride, Bentley. It's the bat! He's tailing us! Put your foot down! Go! Oh crap! He's coming after us! For it! They're driving like maniacs! The bat! There it is! He's on our tail! Outrun that thing! Come on! Lose him!
So I'm sure you'll agree that the sound from the BTSP-10 is much better as it has a lot of bass and has a more cinematic sound effect to it. You will also be surprised to know that Inateck have a slightly revised version of this called the BTSP-10 Plus, which is not only a slight upgrade from this, but it also costs less than the MercuryBox. And that's really my problem with it, to be honest. It's a good product, but quite frankly the pricing is reversed. The inferior speaker costs more than the superior one. Currently the black MercuryBox costs £40 and the much more appealing silver version costs £6 more. I can't recommend it for that price. It's in severe need of a price reduction, or at least a price swap with the BTSP-10. The only reason I would recommend this is if you seriously need an ultra portable and pocketable speaker, but even that's not much of a recommendation as the other speaker Inateck supply is portable enough if you intend to carry it around in a bag or something. But at the end of the day, it really boils down to the fact that if you want acceptable sound quality and a portable speaker, that's what you'll get with the MercuryBox. So that is my review of the Inateck MercuryBox Bluetooth speaker. A link to both speakers from Inateck will be included in the description below, and if you want to see my initial unboxing and review of the Inateck BTSP-10, then you can click your screen now and you'll be taken to that very video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with my future videos and my game show 3-minute reviews. A playlist to that will also be included in the video description. Until then guys, I will see all of you in the next video. Take care.